So these are the to-dos when you are going to make sure that things are to scale for the new place. You're going to make sure you have the room in feet and inches. You're going to be able to place doors, door swings, windows, note all the outlets, and measure any openings to make sure, for instance, if there's a large lazy boy recliner or something, will it even fit in through the doorways? These are things to be noting. Now, when you're shopping, you can do measure scale in a few different ways. You can measure the furnishings, and mostly online, they will show you the depth, the width, and the height of every piece. Even if you're shopping on Facebook Marketplace, all sellers put those dimensions because it's the first thing a buyer wants to know. So you're going to have the measurements, and then you can either cut out little stickies like I did to scale and arrange them. That's how we found out the sectional would not fit in the living room, that there would not be enough room to walk by it. So we went to plan B, which was the favorite love seat. You'll do the same thing. But another thing to do, if you're in the space and you've thought to make newspaper cutouts to scale, you can bring a bag full of newspaper cutouts, go in the space, arrange everything just to double check yourself. And the other high tech way is you can use an integrated app when you're shopping. So Wayfair has an app, and if you want to take pictures of the spaces, it will actually cut and paste and put the couch in the room. So you can see how the color is with the paint color and things like that.